Hi, and again, welcome to Jeeps Rock. I just wanted to come out here. It's a beautiful day. I've got the doors off, and I thought this would be a great opportunity just to kind of revisit the GPCA grips. It's an awesome product. As you can see, when I first got in, I used it to grab in to get a good handle to it, but as you can see, there is no sliding back and forth, which is really nice, and then you can just flip it and get it out of the way. So it's a really nice product. You can also bring it back down, and you can always customize a little bit more if you wanted to, get all different colors of handles. But what I've done is I've taken off the bag it came with, and I put a little sheath for a knife, so it's right there when I need it. Click it back in, and again, everything's just out of the way until I need it. So if you flip it back down, if you're out on the trail and you're all relaxed and you got your driving position, you start hitting a few rocks and you're just kind of enjoying the day, it's nice just to have this as just another handle. You can go back and forth just like this. Just kind of balances you out a little bit more. So also, I'm wearing my C 4x4 off-road magazine shirt today, and the reason for that is I've also got a few articles out there for the GPCA products, and if you want to take a look at their site, it's an awesome site. Lots of articles, lots of different Jeep products. We also, on there's going to be some actual project vehicles, some old Willie's Jeep. You've got a Jeep, you got a TJ, JK, and a JL. So trying to cover just the gamut on the site as well. But again, it's c4x4.com magazine, and if you just go to c4x4.com, you can see and take a look at what I'm talking about. Okay, another product that GPCA offers is their brand new keychain. As you can see right here, it's got the 7 slots on it for the Jeep, and on the other side it's got GPCA. It says stainless steel 430 on it, and it also comes in gray, black, and also just a raw stainless steel look to it. They're really nice, holds a lot of weight, as you can see right here, but what's nice about it is it's got a clip on it. So you can use this clip for a lot of different things, but one thing you can do is the MOLLE system in Jeeps have gotten a lot more popular. As you can see, I've got, right here, I've got MOLLE straps available here, but some people even have a MOLLE strap that comes across here for a system. But if you have one, you can just put it right there and have your keys right there. That way you always know they're there. But it also, instead of just losing them in a cup holder underneath your seat, something like that, if you're just trying to do a real quick, hey, I leave my keys, or if you just get accustomed to, hey, I'm on the trail and I've stopped my vehicle and I don't want to put keys in my pocket while I'm walking around or having lunch, you can just slide it right here on your MOLLE system. Another thing you can do with it is you can take your business cards or credit cards, whatever you want to do, and you can put that right in there, like so. And then it's just got a nice little way to hold your cards. You can hold them this way, or if you want to, you can also go horizontally like that as well. So it's just nice. It holds them, as you can see, it holds them pretty well. So just a lot of different options with that clip. The other thing you can do is I've also combined it with GPCA keychain that says remove before adventure. I have a lot of problems losing my keys or just tools, whatever it may be. So this is a nice bright red indication of where my keys might be, which is nice to help me remember where my keys are. But again, it's just a nice little kind of a fun thing to have as a conversation starter, but also, again, when this thing is clipped in somewhere, you know exactly where your stuff is. So those two combinations of keychains is really a nice offering from GPCA. Okay, there's one other nice feature about the keychain is if you got your keys or wallet, that type of thing, and you really don't have any way to put your hands, you don't want to put these keys on top of your screen of your phone where it might get scratched up. And you can see I'm just wearing some shorts right now. What you can do is you can just take it and slip it right there as a clip, and then now you have your hands free again. You use your phone and you don't have to worry about scratching up your phone. So it's just a nice little option to have that clip. There's so many different options to use for it, but just instead of just making a keychain that just holds keys, why not just use a clip for other things? And as you can see, I can't even get that off of my shorts. So there you go.